Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
They're still brand new, but probably like 3 weeks old.
Still breaking in? Wow. Appreciate the demo, man. It's windy too.
It's like 59 at 30.
159s.
At 30.
Wow. That's good.
50, 55 at 18, 56 at 20, and about a 58 at 25.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really good, man.
Yeah, it's pretty flat. Like, pretty much from like 23 to 38 is
Yeah.
like a 58.
Wow. That's a big good.
But beyond that, it tanks.
Yeah.
And below that, it starts to
That's good. We really built into this. Wow. Nice work. Appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Whew.
What'd you do?
Bluetooth?
Yeah.
Okay. You changed it up, dude. What all's in here now?
4 ZV5 18s,
Okay.
2 SCV 6Ks, C-Max 95 amp hour,
Okay. What
6
is?
order.
Yeah. So what's the specs on that?
6 order?
Yeah.
It's like a 1 to like a 1.1 ratio, 1.2. The rear is tuned to 28.
Yep.
The front is tuned to 56.
Okay.
It's about 5 cubes per sub.
Who built this?
I did.
Y'all did? Nice. Nice work. All right. Looks good. Wow. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky-Hi, Xplicit, DroppinHz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.